Well, good day everyone. It's me, Chanel here, and today I have a decorate with me with black, continuing on with that decorating process using the color black. And today it is going to be a makeover of a piece of furniture, a coffee table that was being thrown out by someone, and so I figured this piece could use just a little love to bring it into a little more modern style with the color black. So let's go on with the process. Now, as you can see with this piece here, the top is a very orangey brown color, and it has lots of scratches and little dings throughout the piece. And the bottom, the base of it, is a hunter green color, and it gives the look of sort of a country style. So again, we're just going to bring it a little bit more modern touch with the color black, and I'm going to sand the top off completely. I'm not going to restain it. I'm just going to put a clear coat of wax on it to seal it and keep it in its natural looking form so that it can fit into a more modern looking, I don't want to say just a farmhouse style, because in my house I don't have farmhouse, but I'm going to display it in here for you to take a look at it before it gets gone. So enjoy the process, and here we go. I'm showing you here is just where I'm using a DeWalt sander, a orbital sander, and this is the sandpaper, which is a very coarse grit sandpaper. I can't remember the actual number of grit that it is, but it is a coarse form of this sandpaper, and the paper just sticks right onto or it adheres to the base of the orbital sander. And I'm just going to apply a little pressure throughout so that it can knock the finish right off of it without using any kind of paint removers and such things like that that are very high fumes. I don't want to do that on this particular day, so I'm just going to put on my mask and go to sanding, take the top layer off. Now, the next thing that you will see me doing is just giving the entire piece a complete wipe down, removing all of the dust from all of the sanding, and that is around the top as well as the base of it as well. And then I'm going to go in with this Rust-Oleum paint, and as you can see, it comes in a can. It is in the color black, and it is a semi-gloss paint. Now, I'm not going to use a primer. That is what the sanding was for. And I just used my sander and went around the base of the entire coffee table, as well as I just used a sanding block on the legs around all the curves as well. That is just to knock down the original painted surface that it originally came in, so that the paint that I'm using now can adhere to it. This particular paint, I have to say, is a very good paint. It adheres excellently. The coverage is great, and also you will need to use a really good brush. This one that I am using is a Worcester brand brush, and it is an all-purpose brush because, again, the paint is a water-based paint and it is a semi-gloss. Now, with different bases of your paints, like oil base and such, you will need to look or check when you are purchasing your paint brushes the different grades that you would need for different paints and stains. What you are seeing here is just the drying process. That's why you see the highs and lows, the dark and sort of light fading of the paint. It is just the drying process, and then we will go in with the styling. Now, again, I'm going to show you two looks for this particular coffee table, the makeover, and I am placing it in my home for a time being only, just until it does get gone. And I hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Stay until the end, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling